Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, Rita is a very talented girl. She has many friends and all the friends can speak in English very good, very well. But Rita has a problem. She cannot speak in English so fluently as her friends, so she generally remain in upset. She used to go to the bed, she always thinking, why my English is not improving? Why I can't learn this language? Once, when she used to go to the bed, so she saw a dream that someone is telling her some effective ways to learn this language. Okay, friends. So this is a scenario. This is a scenario. Okay. So in today video, I'm going to share with you all the tips, tricks and methods which I have followed, to improve my English fluency. Okay. And all the methods depends on my experience. And if it helped me a lot, then it will also help you. Okay. So in today video, I'm going to share with you how to learn English step by step. Okay, and I am going to give some effective ways to be fluent in English. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to give you some effective ways which will help you to be fluent in English. Okay, so the very first thing is that start speaking English as soon as possible. Okay, so first thing is that you need to focus on speaking. Okay, on the day first, I'm going to give you a demo. So there are two group. First group, all they are using some grammar and some vocabulary, and they are trying to give some, trying to achieve some knowledge about English. Okay, so this is group A. This is group B. So and group B peoples, they are using, to English fluency, they are using to speak in English. Okay, they are just listening, they are reading, they are speaking. After 2 months, what will happen? The first group cannot develop, and the second group, he develop his fluency, they develop their fluency, they develop their vocabulary, they can use grammatically rules very well, they can use some sentences in English, they can easily speak in English. Okay, so there is two difference between group first or group second, group A, group B. So what you need to do, you need to focus on speaking terms. Okay, what is your ultimate goal? Your ultimate goal is speaking. Okay, so you need to focus on speaking terms. Now you need to focus on speaking on the day first. You can speak some simple and easy sentences like come here, go there. In this way you can speak in English. But my dear friend, if you have someone who is willing to talk to you in English, that's good, very good, because this is a next question that ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, so how can I speak in English? Okay, if you have someone, that's good, very good. If you have your any teacher who is willing to talk to you in English, if you have any friends who is willing to talk to you, and any neighbor, anyone, that's good, very good. But if you have no one, then don't worry, talk to yourself. You are your best friend. Okay, in this way you can improve your English fluency. But you have to talk in English, you have to speak in English from the day first. So this is first thing, this is first way. In this way you can improve your fluency. Okay, so this is first idea, I mean to say technique, I mean to say method, that start speaking English as soon as possible. Okay, so this is first thing. Now let's talk about second effective way. So the second effective way is reading. Start reading. Why I don't understand that why people always ignoring speaking reading, because reading, it's a wonderful method. But nowadays when a mobile comes in our hand, So we generally ignore reading, but my dear friend, without reading you can't understood about the vocabulary, about the pronunciation, about the sentence structure. Because reading habits, there are some benefit. First thing is that you can improve your vocabulary. You can find different vocabulary while reading in English. Okay, you can improve your sentence structure. You can find how to make some question in English, how to give answer in English, how there are some sentences in English like question mark sentence, exclamatory sentence. Anywhere there are many sentences like negative sentence, okay, simple sentences, affirmative sentence. So once you read in English, you can find some sentences in English, you can find some vocabulary. After reading, believe me friend, your English fluency will improve, because you know some vocabulary in English, you will know some sentences structure in English. And once you read in English, then your writing skill should be improved. Okay, your writing skill must be improved, because so you need to focus on reading. Now let's talk about which kind of thing is good for reading. So if you are a beginner, if you are a learner, so you have to focus on a simple and easy English. Okay, I'm so I will suggest to you that read English book like nursery to 8th class book, because these class books, the English are very easy and very effective. You can easily understand English. Okay, so use. And if you have any choice, if you have any interest, I mean to say, if you want to read any novel, anything, so just start to read it. It depends on your interest. Okay friends, so reading habits, start reading, it's very important. But read out loud. Once you read out loud, then you can find that your confidence is increasing. Okay, and your jaw muscles, they have practice how to pronounce the words. Okay, so read out loud, it's very important, it's very effective way to improve your fluency. Okay, now let's talk about another thing. So the another thing is that fluency. So this is third idea. I don't understand that people, why people talk about, ma'am, how to be fluent in English from the day first. Because my dear friends, it's a long process. It's not a 1 day, 2 day, or 1 month, 2 months process. It's a long process. It's a language, my dear friends. So why are you thinking how to be fluent in English? You can't fluent in English within 1 month, within 2 months. Okay, you need to focus on simple and easy goal. Okay, I mean to say, you can make your goal like within 3 months. Okay, I want to be speaking English on a different topic like sports, like weather, like tourism with my friends. Okay, you need to focus on within 3 months. I want to be speaking English to some topics and talk to my friends. Okay, now let's talk within 6 months. I can speak in English, okay, with my friends, and I can easily write some emails, also write some whatever things comes in my mind, I can write easily, and I can write 1 or 2 pages easily without using any dictionary. So this is your 6 months goals. And within 9th months, I can achieve minimum at least 90% marks on my exam, and then I can easily get admission in a good university. So you can make your target according to your, okay, not the 1 day 2 day. You cannot fluent in English, okay, because it's a long journey, or every big things takes time, because English speaking learning, it's a big thing. So you can achieve these things 1 month, or you cannot achieve these things in a 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month. Okay, so just keep learning this language. And okay, so this is third thing. Now let's talk about another thing. Okay, so the another idea, that means start using some sentences, start learning some sentences. because there are many words, like millionaires words. How can you learn all the words? If you start learning sentences that is usable in your day-to-day life, so you can easily speak some sentence in English. And once you speak in English, some sentences in English, then your confidence of English speaking skills, your confidence will increasing. Okay, so you need to focus, start learning sentences, stop using learning some words. Okay, start learning sentences and learn all the sentences which are usable your day to day life. Okay, and let's talk about next technique. So the next idea or technique is that watching TV. It's a wonderful technique. Okay, I usually watch some whatever series or whatever movie. So I usually watch a movie, and I generally watch some subtitle. I watch movie whatever happened in the movie, and also reading some subtitles in English. In this way I can relate, okay, whatever going to happen, and in this way I can speak in English. Okay, so start using some English, some English series or Hindi series. If you're watching Hindi series, and so then please start some subtitles in English. And if you are watching some English series, that's good, very good. So I will give you some shows in TVs like Friends, Big Bang Theory, and okay, Friends and House. So there are some shows which is very popular in English. You can watch that. Okay, so and now let's talk about another technique. So another technique is that listening music. Okay, it's a wonderful methods. You can learn any new language with the help of music. Because if you have a interest to listen some music, then start using this technique. In this way you can learn some sentences which is usable, which is used in a song. So just start to learn this language. And I hope you like my video, because I wanted to share with you all the things, and I have gave you all the techniques which will help you to speak in English very soon, very fast, very confidently. Okay, so I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.